issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, north central Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fredericksburg, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pine Grove, Fairmont, Fredericksburg, Donaldson, Lakeville, Jonestown, Higgins, Lee, Muir, and Orwell. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 from mile markers 1 plate. Interstate 81 from mile markers 90 to 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through public roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill.